How to download Facebook Lite. Hi everybody, if you're also wondering on how to do it, these are the methods you can follow up. So let's just get started. So for that, you can open up your Play Store. If you're on your Android device, you can open Play Store, but if you're on your iPhone, you can open up your App Store. Once you are there, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So the next step you need to apply up is use the search bar in order to search for Facebook Lite. Again, go ahead and search that, and when you do that, you should be finding these results on your screen. So all you need to do is go ahead and tap on this install option on your screen. You can do that by tapping on this blue install button. It may take a minute or two for the Facebook Lite to be downloaded depending upon your internet connections. So for now, that is how you basically download Facebook Lite into your device. After that, you can access all of the Facebook in the smaller version. So thank you for watching this video. That is how you do it, and I will see you on the next one.